About a month ago, I ordered an Ember mug used off of eBay. And so today I wanted to share with you how this thing has performed and if I would recommend you do such a thing. One of the first things you do once you have your mug is you download the app to your phone. After you do this, you're then able to control your self-heating mug. Inside the mug has these temperature sensors, and there's a battery, and there's all this fancy technology inside of this self-heating mug. I've been primarily using my mug for coffee. It's pretty simple the way it works. You pour in your hot coffee, the mug knows that you're doing this because it picks up via its sensors this hot liquid, and then the mug does its job to heat or maintain the temperature of said liquid. The mug tells you it's doing this with a white light. That means it is heating or maintaining the temperature. So as I said, I've been doing this for about a month now. I've been making my coffee throughout the work week, the normal way I do it, putting it in this mug, and heading on down to my cold basement to go about my day. So how has it gone? Let me tell you. Remember, I bought this thing used, so I wasn't sure how well it would do. I got the app, I paired my phone to the mug, believe it or not, and after that you can walk away. At that point it's going to automatically do what it's supposed to do, which is get the temperature of the liquid inside of it to whatever you set it at. If you have the app open and running, it will tell you when you've reached whatever that temperature you set it at was. You can adjust it at any time. You can use it as much or as little as you want to. I basically set it and forgot it. I think most people are going to define the success of this mug by its battery life. So how well did my battery life perform on my used Ember mug? I don't know. I had mixed results, honestly. There were times when it would last for half an hour and times when it would last for 10 minutes. If you don't use the app all the time, red light means that it's charging, green light means that it has become fully charged or is fully charged. And this little power station, this coaster, has a very long power cord, and so you can put this thing almost anywhere and it'll reach. One important fact to consider is that if you're charging your mug and you have liquid in it, the great thing is that it will charge your mug and heat your beverage at the same time. Knowing this fact was really the sole reason that I went for this purchase, and that I knew even if I had a bad battery, this mug would be worth it. Regarding washing it and its coating and its cosmetics, there's been no issue with any peeling or any paint issues like that. It's held up just fine. I hand wash it as directed and I've had no issues. To summarize, I love this mug. This mug has been fantastic for me. I could take it in the car if I run to the post office real quick. I've taken it out to the garden just to pick a few things, and it's kept my beverage hot every time for enough time. I don't walk around for an hour and a half. I mostly sit in my basement and work. And when I'm down there and I need my hot coffee, it's always hot. You can't place a value on that. It's something that hasn't existed ever. The fact that you can walk around with this mug or just even sit for an hour and not have to refill your cup or put it in the microwave is worth every penny. And remember, I spent $50 on mine. It's far less than brand new. I would probably buy it brand new if I did it all again. I very well may do that one day. So if you see this thing for a good price and the photos are good, buy it.